In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Finance charts to track and understand stock performance. If charts have ever felt confusing or overwhelming, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to read and even create your own. Let's get started. First, head over to Google Finance and sign into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio. Think of this as your financial dashboard. It shows all your investments, how they're performing, and gives you a quick overview of your portfolio. Now, when you click on any stock inside your portfolio, you'll see a chart right away. This chart is one of the most powerful tools available. It shows how a stock has performed over time. You can adjust the time range, like 1 day, 5 days, 1 year, or even 5 years, to see short-term movements or long-term trends. Take a moment to explore this. Notice how the line moves up and down. This represents the price changes of the stock. Understanding this movement helps you spot trends, like whether a stock is growing, declining, or staying stable. Now, here's something many people don't know. You can take this even further using Google Sheets. Start by copying the ticker symbol of a stock you're interested in. This is the short code used to identify a company on the stock market. Next, open Google Sheets and create a blank spreadsheet. In any cell, type the Google Finance function along with the ticker symbol. This allows you to pull real-time stock data directly into your spreadsheet. For example, you can retrieve the current price, historical data, trading volume, and more. If you want to go deeper, you can even customize the formula to pull historical prices over a specific time range. Once your data appears in the spreadsheet, highlight it. Then go to the Insert menu and click on Chart. Just like that, your data turns into a visual chart. Google Sheets will suggest a chart type automatically, but you can change it. A line chart is great for showing price trends over time, while bar charts can help compare different values. This is where things get really powerful, because now you're not just looking at numbers, you're seeing the story behind the data. Charts make it easier to understand patterns, compare performance, and make smarter decisions. And that's it. You've just gone from viewing a simple stock chart to creating your own custom financial charts. The more you experiment with different stocks, formulas, and chart types, the more confident you'll become. Remember, successful investing isn't just about picking stocks, it's about understanding the data behind them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials on finance and digital tools. Thanks for watching and happy charting.